Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create group on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Discord has emerged as a popular platform that offers a variety of features to bring communities and friends together. One of the best features of Discord is the ability to create group chats, allowing users to engage in discussions, collaborate, and socialize within a designed space. Creating a group chat in the Discord is a powerful way to stay connected with friends, coordinate gaming sessions, or collaborate on projects within a more private settings. And so, in this video, I will show you how to create the group chats on your Discord. So first of all, you can just open your Discord app on your phone. Now, you see there is an option like plus icon in here. You can just tap on that and you'll find there is an option new group. You can just tap on that. You can choose for the member, maybe this one and also this one. Tap on create on the upper right corner here. So now you have create new group on your Discord. In here, you can tap. So here's for the member. You can see the media if you share the media in here. And also you can customize the group by tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on customize group. You can change the group name and also you can customize for the profile picture of your group. It's a simple, right? And you can just start conversation in here. So that is how to create group chat on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.